Mr. Right here, and thank you very much to the person who sent in this question. Let's have a look. So, in January 21, an art collector bought a sculpture. Fine. In January 23, he sold it for 30,230. And now I think this is going to be a reverse percentages question. Assume the value of the sculpture increased by 5% each year. Calculate the art collector's profit. Right, now, so reverse percentages questions, I like to go forwards rather than backwards. So here is the initial price of the sculpture. We don't know what that is, do we? So that is January 21. Right. It increases by 5% every year. So here we are, January 22. Now it's increased by 5%. Okay. Great. And then we have another year to go to January 23. Okay, now between January 22 and January 23, it's increased by another 5%. Now, it would be incorrect to say it's increased by 10% in total because this is compound interest, isn't it? It's compound percentage increase. Now, we haven't yet filled in the final value. Here we are, 13230. So, if we were going forwards and increasing by 5%, we would multiply by 1 point the increase, multiplied by 1.05. But of course, we're going backwards. So we're going to divide by 1.05. So we're going to start with the end price and divide by 1.05, and that will give us the value here. Now, we don't, of course, really have to work that out, but let me work it out on my calculator. 13230 divided by 1.05. So the value here for the record is 12600. So I'm going to get that and divide it by 1.05 again to work out the initial value of the painting in January 21. Gives me the answer 12,000. So that is the initial value of the painting. Now, check back at the question. It says calculate the art collector's profit, doesn't it? So his profit, or her profit, his profit, it's a he, is going to be 13,230. Subtract the price he paid for the sculpture, gives a profit of £1,230. If you'd like me to solve a question you're stumped on, then email it in to me. My email address is in the description of this film, or leave the question in the comments of this film, and I'll give it a go. Thanks for watching. See you in the next film.